In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add text over an image on your digital project. By the end, you'll be able to position text perfectly to enhance your designs with ease. Let's jump right into it. First, we need to add both an image and a text box to your page. You'll start by heading over to the Plus or Add Elements menu. This is typically found in your design interface. From here, you'll have the option to include a wide variety of elements. But for our purpose today, we need to focus on images and text. Select an image from your files or a stock library provided by your design tool, and also add a text box. This creates the foundation for your design as you're now working with two separate but essential elements. Moving on to the next step, it's time to position your text box over the image. This requires a bit of precision and creativity. In your workspace, click and hold the text box, then drag it over the image. You can adjust its exact position to suit your design needs. This is where you can get creative. Maybe you want the text right at the center for a bold statement, or off to the corner for a subtler effect. The choice is yours, and it's all about playing with space and how the image and text complement each other visually. Now let's address a common issue you might encounter. Your text might initially sit behind the image, essentially hiding it from view. But not to worry, bringing it to the front is a simple fix. Start by right-clicking on the text box. From the pop-up menu, look for an option labeled Arrange. Under this section, you'll find Bring to Front or Move Forward options. Selecting either of these will adjust the layers, bringing your text box to sit on top of the image, rather than hidden behind it. Alternatively, if you're more comfortable working with the image settings, you can right-click on the image itself. There, choose the Move Backward option. This accomplishes the same goal by sending the image behind the text box instead. Either method effectively layers your text atop the image, ensuring that it stands out clearly. This combination of steps not only helps make your design visually appealing, but also improves readability and impact. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't hesitate to fine-tune the alignment and experiment with fonts, colors, and transparency as you become more comfortable with these tools. And there you have it, a practical approach to adding text over an image on your digital projects. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and happy designing.